Let's see how to text wrap images in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's go ahead and insert our image. Go onto the Insert tab, click on Pictures, and choose a random picture. Now, as you can see right here, we have our image inserted into the document. Now, whenever you click it, you'll see this little pop out right here, which contains the different layout options for your image. Now, it is set to inline with text as its default setting. However, you can change it by clicking any one of these options right here under with text wrapping. So you'll have the option to have it square, tight, through text, or top and bottom of text, behind text, as well as in front of text. So let's go ahead and click square. Now let's resize that image. And as you can see, you'll notice that there is an invisible square border around your image. Now, how about tight? You'll see that the text wraps tightly around your image. For behind text and in front of text, it simply places the image in front or behind your text. And that is how you text wrap an image in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.